As Ontario approaches 4 full weeks of lockdown, there is reason for cautious optimism. Some key markers are showing a decline in spread. For example, the 7-day average is down 20% from a week ago, and the reproductive rate has dropped below 1. But health experts warn it's too early to celebrate.
Recent provincial data is showing some improvement. Our provincial case rate has shown a decline for the first time since mid-November, but it still remains high. It's unclear if the reducing or decreasing rates represent a trend.
Question comes from
Ontario's Associate Medical Officer of Health, Dr. Barbara Yaffe, also addressed the Pfizer vaccine shortage today. Canada will not receive any of the vaccines next week, and deliveries will drop by 50% over the next 4 weeks as the company upgrades its facility in Belgium. Yaffe warns that could force a delay in administering second doses.
If the vaccine supply continues to be an issue, we may have to extend the interval up to 42 days. But again, that is not the optimal.
Dr. Yaffe says health officials are trying to arrange a call with Israeli officials after reports they've found the first dose is only 33% effective without the second shot. As Premier Ford toured a new isolation center in Oshawa this afternoon, he had some harsh words again for Pfizer. He spoke with the CEO of Pfizer Canada and says he told him the company has let Ontario down.
All of a sudden, you don't have the ammunition to fight the war per se. And this falls solely on Pfizer for letting us down. And this goes right down. Every day we lose, it's a day we've lost in the war, and it's a death. At the end of the day, the longer we take to get these vaccines, people are dying, and Pfizer has to understand. They were saying they're reconstructing another line in Belgium. I don't buy any of that crap.
Tough talk from the Premier. Now back to Ontario's declining numbers. This Saturday marks exactly 4 weeks since the province-wide lockdown went into effect on Boxing Day. Earlier this week, Dr. Williams, the province's top doctor, said he would like to see cases drop to or around below 1,000 a day before easing restrictions. Today, we saw just over 2,600.